Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Menso so me dase. Tony.
Yeah, but that's me first time me chat here for the me for video that me chia mom. Me a chance nyame wanwa. Say. Bibi o fu ma dano. So bon.
Nothing.
Ah, that was the mini. Charles, ubisa question me. Let me try and give you some understanding to it. We did say now, yes, signing agreement with MPS to redevelop Terminal 3 our port. No, and no more negotiating for Japan to give us that grant to develop the interchange at Tema. But within the same contract, not traffic and airpace or since I nya grant to do the interchange. Your mother say, yeah, slip rules to take off
the
traffic as we negotiate to get the grant. Fortunately, unfortunately, I'm not we slip road we na grant no ready. So what could they do? Because they were looking at interventions at the choke because now volumes of cargo are ever. And yes, you could say so, Sika Komu, but fine, Sika Komu, Omuya grant. They cannot maintain the design because they needed to redevelop the place to have a tunnel and then the interchange at the top. And yes, but someone in some grant in Tema because this is Unya alone also no. Seminya granta ebe bominti yenko further to negotiate. Japan for senior team by on be feasibility study say take the volume of traffic ebe ba no mu say ye terminal no we are traffic no be go high enti bisadia abai no de betu ye nim no ye hwe mu omo sinkonya ye ya. Fortunately in 2017 the grant was ready for the interchange to come on board. The ministry is not trying to bring this understanding. But say obi sumdaepa etwanamopa to make sure that what we are having there today. And this mudi bomb musafo ni say na Nana Akufo-Addo interchange or Tema. Go and find out the roadmap towards all those things. And then Damika Okroma say
the question
Penya Akufo-Addo abrei human kesi ayenhu ayedi boni safoni na amapenya ye we mu bisa ne say wabobusia 140 billion enu musika no na odi yesa nyuma na say nia 54 billion na odi bob ora ma echi say waboga na kadodo no enu mu eno di yesa ejuma no ene. That is the fact. Yeah, the fact say omampenyin John Dramani Mahama ene ko bobusia 84 million euros from African Development Bank. Edibe to a year design say yenye pokasi interchange yenye nokure. I also bought Ghana sika 11 million euros faka as counterpart funding. So what is Akufo-Addo's contribution in the Pokwasi interchange? The contribution one is one. And your man Penya John Dramani Mahama and a call Exim Bank of India called $380 million. Say you find railway free Tema ever called Pakadam. Oman Penya Akufo-Addo ni Joe Gatti omu contribution was our project no. And so now sorry I say Oman Penya Akufo-Addo go and look at the 2014 railway master plan development in this country. Oman Penya Akufo-Addo ni Joe Gatti mo yembi so am say where is their railway plan? You see, governance is continuing.
Sure.
Obi atuanamo waba. But unam krum and onye hwe. Onye chenye also aya ene interview amuso waye Kumasi. Dem pa no akase waye Asantime. Wako jina otumfu enim na mapa minister say and is that a development? What our ministers? If Asantime and so what? The people of Ashanti know the number of ministers. Ministers are omumbo number wapa omu. They know. They are talking about development. And yes, the beauty mean 6 meter overlay. Let's see a developing quine. And yeah, no. because the roads are already there. So re-engineering is fine. But aside the re-engineering in asphaltic overlay, no, where are the other roads that connect the communities? Are deplorable and Krofunu here. This is where the challenge of Kumasi is. Also factories. Say you can factories see behind there. Factories are bad. So when it comes to free zones and other micro factories, course. Yeah.
Everything said there in Bobidi.
Train men stampede. Yes, I didn't know. Nukakran say. Nukakran say.
Bajomenkaza.
Obezo debate ni biana.
The Bajomenkaza.
Mini chance me nya na se mini oninya.
Me tiama metiefo.
Otiama tiefo. Tiama wanafo.
Mo so tiama metiefo. Ada se mbisa o question me bisa.
Question man bra the right time I meet me am answer.
Any aba factories man ebi ni dey hin.
Factories no ebi ni dey hin. Semi boss mo. Ene factories here mudi bo mudi tete yaso ena mapenya akufo de na factories.
Na so commander sugar factory.
Minia promise
sugar
in 2016 say Ghana for do na nim say o mapenya ka say partnership with private sector and they would have hold that promise in high esteem. Because Damika say
I don't even want you to bother yourself with your man Penika. Momo de na me say Bobby D.
You see, da uti Ghana for Nanti Dudona Anua. Baby omu pe say aban esi industry bi anasa aban bi edwuma bi na yenya ho mfaso. Ene Peace FM hamuwi. Say aban bi another radio media house muchi ha mumu do don be apply say mu fi alcohol no mu do so to be do so pa say
enye no credit da
me na me ka kire wo
me so na me ka kire enye no credit papa ye wa happy
say ye nyina wo sa attitude no say o aban adwuma de we are see be clock in 7 o'clock e ho de o call 9 o'clock rapwa obi en bisa o hwe enu ena ye nyina hwe han wo krom ha ena de gu enyuma a nkrofo so dae edi ba. So it's good say yenya the intermediary where private sector say ombe so abayase to create the industrial hub say yebenya ejumama emebundudo na e ko school pon ni omo free school kitwa no nyina. It is very very pragmatic because for me I don't buy into the idea of state-owned industries because until say ye timam for especially the young ones you be change your psyche say ye na nanu na say ye papa no enya atumi enya juma ewo the factories established under Nkrumah subai be no mudi ko mu utie stories like Ghana Airways the way omo running no as private as personal this thing kofu timi aban pay for timi fa Ghana Airways free chrome ha with omu kukum kaka without paying anything. This were the attitude. So it was not only the mere Ghanaian but even government officials. We all did this thing and they created the state of insecurity, job security chrome ha. It's good say enabling environments have been created through successive governments. Say obisu nya nisika obeden bibi ama Ghana for, and I believe in that way no yina yehu the attitude they say the ejuma as I said the private man ono before we do juma no ono akasa jine ejuma but communities and then the time na minister do juma and what is motivating the secretary and the driver so obebe juma ntem are you getting me enti me did this campaign na edusu no die as Charles na allude to obiani strength ni awayeda because it's a comparison of 4 years
Peace FM 104.3 good to me Taki